Imani Dispanagri soloko ndimengo Imala itigri soloko imengo Majita kutheni ndikhephisako Diswiti ingathi yipoetry kanko Ndimixeni nam njengompakako Aye kuginya mathe uqoqoqo Ndiphupha ngemali ndibalako Ndiyeni kulo matrasi ndiphulumko Lo hane valela mnaka Why indim loni manumka Ta nkwazi nobambinga Ta mandizamani yandinga Keba ndiyaphefoma nam
Zulu, hey inkabi, ingathi inkulu Nasty C, ukhumsindo ngapheliyo Hey Riz, izapha, baby girl Strike it T, isisu ngathi mixisel Casper on your vest, intebe ngathi yibhokwe AKA, man belisima ngaye Yar, Questa, kawunyusi voice Besi ngathi Rick Ross, kawubhityileyo MT, high Shams, is Aram I am hot, egg as Varam.
What it do, people? On today's headline, okay, please hit the subscribe button. What it do, people? On today's headline, we have Ifani and Big Xhosa. Well, it all started when Ifani tweeted about his preference. He took it to his Twitter account and said, "I choose Big Xhosa over Big Zulu." That's what he said. And later on, he then tweeted about a collaboration between him and Big Xhosa, which said, Big Xhosa featuring Ifani Ikuku Indala. Dropping soon, soonest. Something like that. Later on, Big Xhosa took it to his Facebook account. He said, new song coming, Ndiajola featuring Ifani, dropping tomorrow with a video plus a music video. Well, with this being said, it's confirmed that these rappers, they will be dropping a song with a video from any time now on. The following is a video of Big Xhosa singing the song that
Situation Sematanwe Location Situation Sematanwe Screw